Hello everyone, welcome back to the Secret 7. This is Parth and we have a new machine which is HackTheBox. Here is the machine cap. So this machine is online and this is the target machine's IP address. So let's check it out, the finding a user flag and root flag and complete the machine. So let's jump into the machine here. Go to the Kali Linux. So this is our Kali Linux and here is the Nmap scan is already running, which is we have put the SC and SV command for the enumerations. So here like there is a 21 port is open and 22 and port 80 is open. 21 is for the FTP, 22 for the SSH, and port 80 is for the web browser HTTP. Okay, so let's check it out, the HTTP port. Here is the security dashboard is running on the port 80. So let's check it out what is running on the port 80. Here is the some dashboard here, which is security events, file login attempts, port scans, and go to the security snapshot, which is 5 seconds pickup plus analysis. So go to the here, and here is the some packets and files here. So let's we try the here 3, we here 0, which is running let's we download this pkf file 0.pkf file here, and opening the Wireshark here, and file, open the file here which is stored in downloads pkf file. Open this file, and we have used the TCP filter here and stream here, and here you can you see this, and we have the user, and also we have the password. So we jump it into the SSH on the IP address. So let's go to the SSH sudo su Nathan, and our IP address is 10, and we have the password. So let's go to the node server, copy this, and it will paste it over here, hit enter, and we are in the Nathan's terminal. ls here, user.txt here. Now we have finding the user.txt. So let's we rotate this. First we get here or we use the line fees here to enumerate the HackTheBox machine and privilege escalations. We will utilize the line fees post explanation scripts to finding the here point 225 is our tunnel IP address. So we use the tunnel IP address for the getting the line fees here, and we getting the line fees file here. Let's be changing the mode of this file, which is 777 linefees.sh here. Enter line fees here, hit enter, and line fees is working. Checking the directories and finding which is vulnerable, and we get the and here you can see there is a mark of the line fees which is user being Python 3.8 cap set UIDs cap underscore net bind service plus EAP. So in the binary has the Linux cap set UIDs capabilities. So set or it's executable by another binary with the capability set. It can be used as a backdoor to maintain privilege access by manipulating its process UIDs. So let's just check it out. The here capabilities on the Python. Copy here, go to the GFO bins. Python here, and file download, read download, set UIDs here. Here is the capabilities. So here one by one commands. So let's just run this here. Python import bash.sh bin bash. Let's recopy here. We use the Python 3 here. Dash import os set UID zeros OS systems, and here we use the bin bash here. Okay, and just let's run it out here. Okay, here I take a mistakes, just remove it, the slash, and hit enter, and now we have a root. So who am I? First we try who am I, which is root, and ID is root Nathan. So let's go to the cd root directory, ls here, we use the ls here, slash root. Okay, it's okay, ls here, and here is the root.txt, and we finding the final flag of this machine, which is root.txt, with using the command which is providing by line fees. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.